Hi friends, hope you all doing well. Thank you so much for watching. Join me today. In this video I will be sharing a special recipe. I'm going to show you how to cook delicious and authentic small fish curry. It's a packed with flavor and very easy to make. Let's get started. Let's see what we need for this recipe. 500 gram of sardine, 1.5 tablespoon of black pepper, 7 to 8 garlic cloves, curry leaves and cinnamon, cardamom, cloves, 2 tablespoons of oil, quarter cup of onion, pandan leaf, half teaspoon of fenugreek, 1.5 tablespoon of curry powder, 2 teaspoon of chili powder and 1.5 teaspoon of gazania paste. First we are going to make a paste. In a grinder jar, add the black pepper, 1.5 teaspoon of gazania paste, garlic cloves and some curry leaves. Blend everything into a smooth paste. Now take the fish in a bowl and add the prepared paste. And add salt to taste, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Mix it very gently so the fish doesn't break. Let the flavor soak in. Next, place the pan on the stove. Add the chili powder, curry powder and fenugreek seeds. Roast them on low heat for about 5 minutes. When they are roasted, add the cardamom, cloves and cinnamon. Continue roasting until the color change. Now add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and mix well. Add the onion, pandan leaf and curry leaves. Mix them for a short time. Then add quarter cup of water and give it a good stir. It's time to add the marinated fish. I am also adding 1 cup of water. I am using the same bowl we use for marinating. Mix gently. Cook on high heat for 6 to 8 minutes. And there you have it, a delicious village style fish curry. Do try this at home and let me know your thought in the comments. Thank you for watching. I will see you again with another great recipe. Have a wonderful day. Bye.